Fossils.
Fossils.
Okay, so you've got water,
Yeah.
you've got flour,
Found there.
you've got salt,
Salt.
you've got a bowl,
A bowl.
and you've got dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. This.
And a measuring.
A measuring.
These are all safe, so you can do it by yourself, but if you need my help, I'll help you.
Yeah.
Open the salt. Yeah. Okay. In the grey one, fill it all the way up.
All of it.
Yeah, so fill it all up. So we need a cup of salt.
Okay.
So a lot of salt, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is how we're going to make our fossils.
Yeah.
Now put the salt in the bowl. Careful. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now we need to get 2 cups of plain flour. So put the bowl to the side. Okay, pour that in. Well done. Now do it one more time. Well done. Right, stir it a little bit. Hold the bowl. Stir it a little bit. Well done. Okay. Now you have to put this water in there and measure a cup. A little bit more. And stop. Well done. Good job. 2 hands. Well done. Good job, Savannah.
Now do it.
Yeah, you stir it. Well done. So now you know what you're gonna make.
Yeah.
You're gonna make a dough,
A dough.
so we can make the fossils. Slowly. If you do it slowly, it will work out better, won't it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Wow. So you're making it too thin, so you need to make it into a bowl, like this. Right, you push it down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't think. Roll it on. Okay. Because it's a sticky dough, you need some flour so it doesn't stick onto the
Mom,
pan.
made it hot.
Yeah. Okay. Now you get the flour.
Yeah.
Put it in there
We need flour.
on both sides. No, you've got enough flour. You've got enough flour.
Yeah.
Okay. And now you roll it out like this.
Hey,
Well
you're
done.
not I'm playing. You're
I'm
not
helping
killing
you.
anyone.
I'm helping you.
Are you ready? Savannah. Could do this.
Oh, careful.
Oh,
No.
we need to make a new one now. Mom, and then twist it.
Push your hand down with the other hand. Don't be silly. Well done. Okay.
And you look a bit more.
Yeah, well done.
Told you.
So we thought we could make the fossils. We got the print. Are you excited?
Yeah. Now I'll do the dinosaur.
So now we're going to put it in the oven for a little bit. And
Yeah.
we're just going to let it cook. And then we're going to paint him, aren't we?
Yeah. Yeah, and I need to make some holes first. There you go. Now my
Now it's dry, isn't it, your mould?
yeah.
Okay, do you want to show me what we've done?
Yeah. So we
there's
did 2
squirrels.
wheels.
Yeah. We'll put them on the tree when we put the tree out.
Yeah, we did dinosaur crits.
Dinosaur feet.
Yeah, we did the dinosaur.
Yeah. Got a hole in that one.
Yeah. And then we got a fork.
A fox.
Then we got my hand
your
grip.
handprint.
And then the other.
Reindeer for Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to paint them.
Yeah, with sticky glue.
So should we paint them first and then put a sticky on there?
Yeah. So, and now I'll paint it.
I'm going to paint it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We need to paint it on the temple.
We did the footprint of the dinosaur,
Yeah.
your hand all full of glitter, a fox that is gold,
Yeah.
and then you wanted to do a gold reindeer and gold
Gold and gold.
and a lot of mess on my table.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It wasn't easy, was it?
No.
It was hard,
Yeah.
very hard.
Yeah.
Even I thought it was hard today,
Yeah.
but we did it.